acidosis, alkalosis, clinical cases. Okay. So do you remember what is acidosis and what is alkalosis? Any idea? What is acidosis? What is alkalosis? Okay, so acidosis and alkalosis is defined by the pH value of blood. What is the normal pH value of blood? 7.4 is the optimum pH value. What is the range? 7.35 to 7.45. So when the pH is less than 7.35, it is known as pH value known less than 7.35 acidosis. And when the pH value will be greater than 7.45, that will be known as okay. So acidosis and alkalosis. So what is the major acids of our body and major alkali of our body? Acid component of our body. Acidity is maintained by, there are various acids. They can be divided into two groups. One is fixed acids, another is volatile acid. So fixed acid or non-volatile acid, they are not easily dissociated. Okay, their amount is more or less fixed and that is not altered by any external effect. Whereas the volatile acid, that is carbonic acid. What is carbonic acid? H2CO3. This is volatile acid. This can be divided into this by carbonic anhydrase enzyme, and this CO2 can be released in respiration. Okay, that's why by respiratory regulation, the concentration of acid can be regulated. Okay, how? If there is hyperventilation, what is hyperventilation? Increased rate and depth of respiration, that will lead to CO2 washout. CO2 washout will lead to decrease in acid load, and at the same time hypoventilation will lead to decreased CO2 elimination, will lead to increased acid load. Okay, and what is the alkali in our body? Main alkali is bicarbonate ion. Okay, bicarbonate ions. So there is a ratio, balance ratio between H2CO3 and bicarbonate. What is this? This is 1:20, known as alkali reserve. And this acts as bicarbonate buffer. Okay, bicarbonate buffer. Main extracellular buffer, that is bicarbonate buffer. It is a composition of weak acid, that is carbonic acid, and its salt, that is bicarbonate salt. Okay, so here the alkali ratio is higher than the acid in our body in normal. So it is 1:20. So whenever there is any disruption of this ratio, there will be either acidosis or alkalosis. In case of acidosis, mainly what happens? What can happen in acidosis? Either acid accumulation can be there or increased base elimination can be there. Right? Duto hote pare. Either there is increased acid or decreased base in acidosis. So what is the parameter for acid estimation? Here we are discussing about the volatile acid, that is carbonic acid. So what is the parameter that is related to carbonic acid concentration estimation? Ki bollam, carbonic acid can be divided into carbon dioxide and water. So PeCO2 value, whether it will be related to acid load or not, partial pressure of carbon dioxide in our blood is equivalent to the acid load of our blood. Boja geche? Why? Because this is easily dissociated into carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and this is bilateral. whenever there is increased partial pressure of carbon dioxide, it will lead to formation of more carbonic acid and thus acid load will increase. ঠিক আছে? So PCO2, what is the normal value of PCO2? Partial pressure of carbon dioxide 35 to 45 mmHg. This is the range for PCO2, and PCO2 is the parameter that detects the acid load or acidity of blood. Okay, as this is equivalent to carbonic acid. Clear? So what will happen in acidosis? What will happen to the value of PCO2 in acidosis? PCO2 value will be increased. PCO2 value will be increased. কত increased হবে? More than কত? আরে range কত? তাহলে সেটা বল। So it will be more than 45 in case of acidosis. তাই তো, to produce acidosis, PCO2 value should be more than 45. And this type of acidosis is known as key acidosis. Why respiratory acidosis? Why this is called as respiratory acidosis? Not hyperventilation. Because the parameter that is related to respiration is causing the acidosis. This parameter, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, this is related to respiration. I told you carbon dioxide can be eliminated by respiration, can be eliminated or can be stored by hyperventilation. Yes or no? So this process is regulated by respiration. That is why the primary mechanism is respiratory acidosis. Whenever the PCO2 value increases more than 45 resulting in acidosis, it will be respiratory acidosis because the main cause is in respiratory regulation. Right? Okay, so what is the other parameter we look for? আচ্ছা, এই যে প্যারামিটার গুলো we are discussing, we estimate these parameters from which sample? Blood sample, so definitely we are discussing about the blood only, blood pH, blood PCO2 and blood bicarbonate level. So which blood? Generally we collect blood from venous blood for our routine test estimation, and this test is done from arterial blood. So this is nothing but arterial blood gas analysis. Arterial blood gas analysis, and the arterial blood is collected from radial artery or femoral artery. Okay. So what is the other parameter? That is bicarbonate concentration. Bicarbonate concentration normal is 22 to 26 millimole per liter. 22 to 26. Okay, this is the normal bicarbonate concentration range in our body. So in case of acidosis, to produce acidosis, the concentration of bicarbonate or alkali should be low or high? Low, right? So if there is excess elimination of bicarbonate, that will lead to disruption of this ratio, and thus acid component being in normal quantity will be more than the base present. Clear? মানে বেশি যদি bicarbonate elimination হয়ে যায়, that will lead to disruption of that ratio, and here is no acid increasing, but as the balance is disrupted, it will lead to formation of acidosis, overall acidosis. ঠিক আছে? So here how much will it decrease? It should be less than 22, and this type of acidosis is known as metabolic. Metabolic acidosis. বোঝা গেছে? So acidosis can be of two types, respiratory and metabolic. metabolic. In case of respiratory acidosis, the parameter will go with acidosis, that is respiratory parameter, that is PCO2. Okay, regulated by respiration, and here bicarbonate concentration is regulated by metabolic processes. So this is metabolic acidosis. Clear? Acidosis clear? Types of acidosis. Now coming to alkalosis. So in case of alkalosis, what is the general idea? Alkalosis কখন হবে? Alkali বেড়ে গেলে, if there is increase in alkali concentration, that is bicarbonate increase more than 26, তাই তো? That will be more than 26, and this is known as metabolic. So whenever the parameter is related to bicarbonate, the result or the disease will be metabolic. In case of PCO2 value, what will happen in the other scenario? PCO2 কি হতে হবে? Alkalosis হওয়ার জন্য PCO2, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, should be high or low to result in alkalosis. It should be low. It should be low. কত low? Less than 35. And this is known as respiratory alkalosis. হয়েছে? Clear? Is this chart clear to everyone? Huh? Two types of disorder. One is acidosis, another is alkalosis. That is defined from the pH value of blood. Now to cause acidosis, there should be two reasons. One is accumulation of acid, another is elimination of base. So whenever there is accumulation of acid, it is directly linked with the partial pressure of carbon dioxide. As we are discussing about the acid, carbonic acid, it is the volatile acid. Okay, so that should result in increased PCO2 value more than 45 millimeter of Hg. And in case of metabolic acidosis, what should happen? The concentration of bicarbonate should be below 22. Okay, and in the other hand, alkalosis, whenever the pH value is more than 7.45, it is alkalosis, and it can be a result of increased bicarbonate concentration in our body or decreased PCO2 concentration in our body. Clear? That is, one is metabolic, another is respiratory. So whenever the parameter is related with PCO2 value, it is always respiratory, and whenever the main primary cause is in bicarbonate value, it is metabolic. বোঝা গেছে? The value that is going with acidosis and alkalosis will be the primary cause. ঠিক আছে? Whenever the main value or the primary value is going with the acidosis or alkalosis, that will be the disorder. Okay, let's discuss, and then you will understand better. ঠিক আছে? So we will discuss 4 cases. Write down the cases. Arterial blood gas analysis. Arterial blood gas analysis. Okay, case number 1. A chronic alcoholic patient, a chronic alcoholic person, not patient, a chronic alcoholic person came to ER. A chronic alcoholic person came to ER mane emergency. Came to emergency with following symptoms. A chronic alcoholic person with the following symptoms. The following symptoms are increased ventilation, flushing, increased ventilation, flushing, headache, lethargy and stupor. A chronic alcoholic person came to ER with the following symptoms: increased ventilation, flushing, headache, lethargy and stupor. What is stupor? Where the motor incoordination is there, neuromuscular incoordination is there. So what happens in stupor? Patients patient loses his ability to stand still or walk properly. Okay, and he will be in a confused state. Okay, now his investigation revealed, his ABG analysis revealed pH 7.15, pH 7.15, PCO2 25 millimeter of Hg, pH 7.15, PCO2 25, bicarbonate 8 millimole per liter, pH 7.15, PCO2 25, bicarbonate 8. ওকে হয়েছে? ক্লিয়ার পুরোটা না ভ্যালুগুলো? Chronic alcoholic person came to ER with following symptoms: increased ventilation, flushing, headache, lethargy. Flushing মানে কি রে? হ্যাঁ, তো redness of skin, তাই তো? Because of increased capillary blood flow. Flushing, headache, lethargy and stupor. STUPOR, stupor. Okay. Investigation revealed pH 7.15, PCO2 25 mmHg, bicarbonate 8. What is your provisional diagnosis? আচ্ছা, আগে সবকটা কেস লিখে নে, তারপরে we will discuss. Next, second case. কিছুটা জায়গা রাখতে চাইলে জায়গা রাখ। কোয়েশ্চেনটা যে লিখবি তার কিছু অ্যানসার লেখার জায়গা ছাড়তে চাইলে জায়গা ছেড়ে রাখ। Next, a patient complains of shortness of breath. A patient complains of shortness of breath, anxiety, confusion. A patient complains of shortness of breath, anxiety, confusion and sleep disturbance. Shortness of breath, anxiety, confusion and sleep disturbance. His ABG report is as follows. His ABG report is as follows. pH 7.2, pH 7.2, PCO2 60 mmHg, PCO2 60 mmHg, bicarbonate 24 millimole per liter, bicarbonate 24, 7.2 pH, 60 PCO2, bicarbonate 24. হয়েছে? What is your provisional diagnosis? Next case, case number 3. A patient came to ER. A patient came to ER with severe vomiting. A patient came to ER with severe vomiting, signs of dehydration. A patient came to emergency with severe vomiting, signs of dehydration, and lethargy or weakness. Severe vomiting, signs of dehydration and weakness. ABG report is pH 7.5, pH 7.5, PCO2 50 mmHg, 50 mmHg, pH 7.5, PCO2 50, bicarbonate 46 millimole per liter, bicarbonate 46 millimole per liter, 50, 7.5, 50 and bicarbonate is 46. What is your diagnosis? Probable diagnosis. Last case, a patient presents with rapid breathing. A patient presents with rapid breathing, confusion and dizziness. A patient presents with rapid breathing, confusion and dizziness. His investigation report is pH 7.6, 7.6, PCO2 25 millimeter of mercury, 25, PCO2 25, pH 7.6, PCO2 25 and bicarbonate 22. Bicarbonate 22. Bicarbonate 22. What is your diagnosis? হয়েছে? So এই কেসটা থেকে স্টার্ট করছি। লাস্ট কেসটা, ফোর্থ কেসটা থেকে বল, একজন বল, এই তুই বল, বসে বসে বল। So whenever such charts are given or whenever such cases are given, first we have to look at the pH value. Okay, so first look at the pH value 7.6. So it denotes, ওকে বলতে দে না, তোরা যারা বুঝে গেছিস খুব ভালো, যাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছিস সে বল। Alkalosis. Why alkalosis? More than 7.45. Very easy. So in alkalosis we should look for either increased bicarbonate or decreased PCO2. What is given in this case? PCO2 is decreased. Right? So PCO2 is 25. That is, acha, first of all, in this case it is alkalosis. From the pH value we can say this is alkalosis. Next comes the PCO2 value. So PCO2 value is 25, which is less than normal. So it is going with this less than normal. In alkalosis, reason can be of two types, either decreased PCO2 or increased bicarbonate. So whatever is going with the alkalosis will be the disorder. So here the PCO2 value is decreased, it is going with alkalosis. এই সাইডেই আছে তো, alkalosis এর দিকেই আছে, PCO2 decrease. So this is, what is this case? Acha, before coming to what is this, what is the bicarbonate value? 22. It is normal or low or high? Normal. So this is in normal range. ঠিক আছে? তাহলে nothing to do with metabolic part, because metabolic part is normal. So it is a case of respiratory alkalosis. Case number 4 is respiratory alkalosis. হয়েছে? ক্লিয়ার? সবাইকার কাছে ক্লিয়ার? সবাই বুঝেছে? পারবে তো সবাই এটা? আচ্ছা, now tell me what are the causes of respiratory alkalosis? ঝটপট বল, তাড়াতাড়ি বল, অনেকগুলো কেস আছে। What are the causes of respiratory alkalosis? What is happening to the patient? Patient came with what symptom? Rapid breathing, that is hyperventilation. So hyperventilation will lead to CO2 washout, right? So what is happening here? Hyperventilation leading to CO2 washout. So what are the causes of respiratory alkalosis other than hyperventilation? Any situation that will lead to that is leading to hyperventilation. ঠিক আছে? যেমন easy to remember, fight, flight, fear and fit. So whenever there is a fight, whenever there is a fear or flight, and fit মানে hysteria or seizure, ঠিক আছে? So whenever these things happen, that will lead to hyperventilation and will end in respiratory alkalosis. ঠিক আছে? Another thing is there, that is hypoxia and high altitude, where partial pressure of oxygen is low, that will lead to decreased PCO2. ঠিক আছে? Whenever there is hypoxic situation or high altitude. In high altitude, the partial pressure of oxygen is low. Thus, our body will get less oxygen and will produce less carbon dioxide. So these are the causes for respiratory alkalosis. Now, for every disorder, body runs a compensatory mechanism. What is compensatory mechanism? Compensatory mechanism. What is compensatory mechanism? All the buffers in our body will try to resist the change in pH wherever it is acidosis or alkalosis. So, all the buffer mechanism will act and try to prevent the acid-base disorder. So, in case of respiratory alkalosis, what kind of compensatory mechanism will be seen? It is alkalosis. So, buffer will try to produce more acid. More acid. Why more acid? Alkalosis. So, to balance the excess alkali, body will try to increase the acid load or will try to decrease the alkali. Right? So, what is the mechanism where, see, it is respiratory alkalosis. So, I told you this part, respiratory parameter, that is PCO2, this can regulate the acid load. Right? This can regulate the acid load. How? By hyperventilation it can reduce the acid load, or by hypoventilation it can increase the acid load. Right? হাইপার হলে যা হয়েছে তাই এখানে দেখা যাচ্ছে, আর হাইপো হলে কি হবে? অ্যাসিড বেড়ে যাবে, there will be acidosis. So look, here already hypoventilation is occurring. তাই তো? We cannot suddenly make it hypoventilation. Patient is already having hyperventilation. তাই তো? So we cannot further control that respiratory mechanism at the start moment. তাই তো? So body will try to balance it in the other way. ঠিক আছে? Whenever there is any disorder of respiratory origin, body will try to compensate it with metabolic mechanism. ঠিক আছে? So here metabolic mechanism কি পড়ে থাকছে? Other than controlling the acid part, it is reducing the alkali part. So reducing the alkali part, that is reducing bicarbonate. So reducing bicarbonate will lead to metabolic acidosis. Okay. So for respiratory compensation, the mechanism will be metabolic. And to prevent alkalosis, more acid should be produced. Right? Or acidic situation should be created, that is acidosis. In case of respiratory alkalosis, metabolic acidosis is the compensatory mechanism. What happens in metabolic acidosis? Here, bicarbonate concentration is decreased. ঠিক আছে? So alkali load will be decreased to keep the balance. বোঝা গেছে? So whenever there is any disorder, whether it is respiratory or metabolic, the compensatory mechanism will always be the opposite. In case of respiratory disorders, the compensatory mechanism will be by metabolic methods. And in case of alkalosis, alkalosis is already there. So to compensate the alkalosis, body should create a acidosis-like situation. So metabolic acidosis is the compensatory mechanism. Whenever body is surviving an alkalosis, respiratory alkalosis, body will at the same time body will generate metabolic acidosis also. So at the same time body will have respiratory alkalosis and its compensatory mechanism as metabolic acidosis. বোঝা গেছে? Okay, next come to the next. 4 number question ta clear? All the questions I have discussed. What are the cause? What is the compensatory mechanism? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এরপরে আরেকটা কোয়েশ্চেনও আসতে পারে, হাউ বাইকার্বনেট লেভেল ইজ রিডিউসড? by increasing elimination of bicarbonate in urine. Generally from urine bicarbonates are reabsorbed, but in this case the reabsorption will be slowed down. ঠিক আছে হয়েছে বাফার মেকানিজমের মধ্যে সব আছে what are the buffer mechanisms কতগুলো লাইন অফ বাফার মেকানিজম আছে there are 3 lines of buffer mechanism first line are the blood buffers what are the blood buffers bicarbonate phosphate and protein buffers second line buffer হচ্ছে respiratory mechanism that is hypoventilation and hyperventilation and third line buffer হচ্ছে kidney buffers কি করে কাজ করে by 4 mechanisms one is by elimination of H plus ion more and more H plus ion all the acids are eliminated in our urine pH is how much is it acidic or alkaline acidic it is 6.8 average normal value is 6.8 it is less than 7 right or less than blood pH so urine is acidic how the urine becomes acidic when the blood is around neutral কি করে হয় by elimination of extra H plus ions in urine and reabsorption of bicarbonates from urine okay and extra আর কি হয় regeneration of bicarbonate হয় in renal tubular cells along with elimination of titrable acids in urine these 4 are the renal buffer mechanism এটা long question ও আসে okay discuss the buffer mechanisms in our blood okay next হচ্ছে case number 3 patient came to ER with severe vomiting signs of dehydration and weakness so the investigation revealed pH of ball ball তোর পেছনের জন হ্যাঁ you জোরে বল louder pH is 7.5 that denotes alkalosis so case number 3 that is also alkalosis 7.5 now next PCO2 value is 50 so which side is PCO2 value this side or that side this is low or high PCO2 value is high so it is going with high PCO2 value right high PCO2 value is it going with alkalosis no so we should look for the next parameter what is the next parameter bicarbonate what is the value of bicarbonate 46 it is high or low high so this is high in case 3 it is alkalosis and bicarbonate value is high so the primary disorder here is metabolic alkalosis case number 3 it is metabolic alkalosis বোঝা গেছে why metabolic alkalosis because the primary reason is going with the alkalosis whatever is going with the alkalosis is the primary disorder ঠিক আছে increased bicarbonate is going with alkalosis that's why it is metabolic alkalosis but why this partial pressure of carbon dioxide is raised compensatory mechanism কি হচ্ছে compensatory mechanism এ metabolic alkalosis কে prevent করার জন্য করতে হবে acidosis and এর compensation হবে by respiration so how respiratory acidosis is produced hypoventilation very good so patient এর কি হয়েছে acha so what will be your final diagnosis how will you present this case diagnosis ki kore bolbi this is a case of metabolic alkalosis with respiratory acidosis as compensatory mechanism ঠিক আছে and this is the respiratory acidosis part is totally compensatory because its effect is not showing in the pH value right it is uncompensated state in uncompensated state যদি দেখা যেত যে the pH is near to 7.45 suppose the pH is 7.48 the given pH if the given pH is 7.48 with such value so then we can say that it is a partially compensated case of metabolic alkalosis with compensatory mechanism as respiratory acidosis. Okay, but here it is totally uncompensated because the pH is 7.5. ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ, it is a case of uncompensated, মানে uncompensated কেন? Because the pH is still 7.5. It should be fully compensated when the pH comes within the range and partially when it comes nearer the higher margin. ঠিক আছে, but here it is above the higher margin, way above, তাই তো? So it is a case of metabolic alkalosis with respiratory acidosis going on as compensatory mechanism. ঠিক আছে না? ভেরি গুড। তো সেই জন্য সবকটার একটা করে সিমটম একটু একটু লেখা রয়েছে। ওকে, সো in all these cases patient may come in confused and unconscious state. ঠিক আছে, in both case of acidosis and alkalosis. So most common scenario, most common disorder is metabolic acidosis. ঠিক আছে, next comes respiratory acidosis. Acidosis is more common in our body because acid production of acid is much higher in our body. That's why alkali reserve is kept to balance the excess acid that is getting produced in our body. But whenever there is acidosis, its compensatory mechanism also starts to act and patient comes in a comatose or in a confused unconscious state. ঠিক আছে, in most of the cases. Last to last day I discussed the case of DKA, diabetic ketoacidosis. So along with it I discussed that case as metabolic acidosis case also. ঠিক আছে, যখন আসবো metabolic acidosis এ তখন ডিসকাস করব। So what are the causes of metabolic alkalosis? Now our third case of metabolic alkalosis. It was of metabolic alkalosis. What are the causes of metabolic alkalosis? এই পেশেন্টের কি এসছে, কি নিয়ে এসছে? Severe vomiting নিয়ে এসছে। So whenever there is severe vomiting, it will lead to elimination of gastric acids, তাই তো? So gastric acids are the fixed acids of our body. So their concentration is not altered very easily. So whenever there is severe vomiting or GI fistula or any abnormality in our GI tract, so that will lead to metabolic alkalosis. Okay, metabolic alkalosis, clear? বোঝা গেছে? So these are the cause and compensatory mechanism we have already discussed. It is respiratory acidosis, and respiratory acidosis is done by hypoventilation. Whenever there is acidosis, respiratory acidosis, it is because of hypoventilation. Whenever there is respiratory alkalosis, it is because of hyperventilation. Okay, now come to the second case. A patient complains of shortness of breath, anxiety, confusion and sleep disturbance. Investigation bolche pH 7.2, PCO2 60, bicarbonate 24. So pH 7.2 goes with acidosis. So this case, second case is definitely of acidosis and PCO2 value is 60 and that is going with raised PCO2 value, and easily we can say this is a case of respiratory acidosis. Okay, and his bicarbonate value is 24, that is normal. So nothing to do with metabolic part. So no compensation yet, right? No compensation started yet. The patient suffering from respiratory acidosis. বোঝা গেছে? What is the difference between compensation and uncompensated cases? This is uncompensated. No change in the bicarbonate value till now, right? Acha, what are the causes of respiratory acidosis? Hypoventilation. Patient কি নিয়ে এসছে? Shortness of breath. তো shortness of breath কখন হবে? Hypoventilation হচ্ছে। Respiratory tract related disorders, তার মানে whenever there is disease in lung, in lung কি কি হতে পারে? COPD, asthma হতে পারে, very good, bronchitis হতে পারে আর pneumonia. Okay, any mass obstructing the trachea. So these are the causes of respiratory acidosis. Whenever there is decreased respiration or hypoventilation, that will lead to respiratory acidosis. And as it is respiratory acidosis, it is mostly related with our upper respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract or all over respiratory tract. ঠিক আছে? Clear? বোঝা গেছে? The causes of respiratory acidosis and the compensatory mechanism will be, case number 2 is respiratory acidosis. Its compensation will be how metabolic alkalosis will occur. How metabolic alkalosis occurs? Metabolic alkalosis by increasing the concentration of bicarbonate. So kidneys will increase the rate of reabsorption of bicarbonate and that will lead to increased bicarbonate concentration in blood. হয়েছে? বোঝা গেছে? So how a disease is compensated by buffer mechanism? Is it clear? মানে কিছু কি মাথার মধ্যে ক্লিয়ার হচ্ছে? Okay. So next come to the last card. A chronic alcoholic person came to ER with following symptoms: rapid breathing, flushing, headache, lethargy and stupor. pH is 7.15. তুই বল, what is this case? Acidosis. Very good. pH 7.1 goes with acidosis and his PCO2 value is, PCO2 value কত কেস্টার? 25. So it is raised or decreased? Decreased. So here it is decreased. PCO2 value is decreased. So is it going with acidosis? Decreased PCO2 value. PCO2 value কমে গেছে, সেটা কি অ্যাসিডোসিসের সাথে যাচ্ছে? যাচ্ছে না তো? কেন যাচ্ছে না বলতো আমাকে একটু? Why the decreased PCO2 value is not going with acidosis? PCO2 is the marker for what? PCO2 is the parameter we look for estimation of which part? Acid part or alkali part? Acid part, that is carbonic acid. So whenever PCO2 is decreasing, that means acid is decreasing, but the case is showing us that blood is acidic. That means the condition is acidosis. So the acid, in case of acidosis, PCO2 is decreased. It is not going hand in hand. So we will leave it. ঠিক আছে? We will look for the next value. Next value is of bicarbonate. And bicarbonate value is na. First case is that koto? 8. So is it normal or low or high? Low. So low bicarbonate is going with low bicarbonate. Right? So low bicarbonate is going with acidosis. So this is a case of metabolic acidosis because this cause, like low bicarbonate, is going with the acidosis. So this is the primary thing. The case is case 1. So our case 1 is metabolic acidosis. এই পর্যন্ত clear? So this is a case of metabolic acidosis. Is this clear? But why the PCO2 value is decreased here? Compensatory mechanism. So in case of metabolic acidosis, compensatory mechanism will be respiratory alkalosis. And respiratory alkalosis is done by which mechanism? Hyperventilation. So is the patient presenting with hyperventilation? Yes. একদম প্রথম কথাই বলা আছে increased ventilation or rapid breathing. তাই তো? Patient presents with rapid breathing. So his rapid breathing is not the disease. It is the compensatory mechanism of his disease, that is metabolic acidosis. Why this patient is having metabolic acidosis? পেশেন্টের কি হিস্ট্রি আছে? ক্রনিক অ্যালকোহলিক। তো ক্রনিক অ্যালকোহলিকের কি হবে? তাই পড়িয়েছিলাম। Chronic alcoholic persons tend to have key acidosis, lactic acidosis, ketoacidosis. Right? That is why he is having metabolic acidosis. So, in this case, this person of chronic alcoholic history, he may have lactic acidosis or he may have ketoacidosis. We don't know. But we have to know, we should know the causes of metabolic acidosis. What are the causes of metabolic acidosis? What is the most common cause of metabolic acidosis? Ball re. আগের দিন যেটা পড়ানো হয়ে গেছে, that is the most common cause of metabolic acidosis, that is diabetic ketoacidosis. Next is lactic acidosis. Next is chronic alcoholic. Next হচ্ছে আমাদের keto acidureas and organic acidureas. Okay, ঠিক আছে? So causes of metabolic acidosis are diabetic ketoacidosis, lactic acidosis, ketoacidureas, organic acidureas and chronic alcoholism. All these things. Whenever there is excess production of metabolic acids will lead to metabolic acidosis. Clear? Respiratory metabolic alkalosis, when there is increased concentration of, এখানে দেখ কেসটার কি হিস্ট্রি ছিল, সিভিয়ার ভমিটিং ছিল, তার মানে যখন জিআই ট্র্যাক্ট অ্যাবনর্মালিটি থাকবে which may lead to loss of HCl acid, ঠিক আছে? সো ইন কেস অফ সিভিয়ার ভমিটিং হতে পারে, সিভিয়ার ডায়রিয়ার ক্ষেত্রে হতে পারে, in case of GI fistula, okay, or any GI abnormality. ঠিক আছে? And the compensatory mechanism in case of metabolic acidosis is respiratory alkalosis, and the patient is already presenting with hyperventilation. Clear? এখন এই চারটা মুখের সামনে আছে বলে সব খুব ইজি লাগছে, তাই তো? So how to make this chart much easier? By remembering these three normal ranges only. ঠিক আছে? pH value, PCO2 value and bicarbonate value. If we remember these three normal value ranges, so these charts will be very easier. From pH value we will detect whether it is acidosis or alkalosis. Next we will see which of the parameter is going with the acidosis or alkalosis. If PCO2 is going with acidosis, it will be respiratory acidosis. If bicarbonate value is going with acidosis, it will be metabolic acidosis. কখনোই এরকম হবে না যে respiratory acidosis ও হয়েছে আর metabolic acidosis ও হয়েছে at the same time. হবে না. Two mechanisms cannot go in one direction. One is always acting as the compensatory mechanism. ঠিক আছে? So whenever there is two deranged values, one will be going with the cause or with the diagnosis and another will go with the compensatory mechanism. Clear? Clear to everyone? Okay. Any query? No. Thank you.